Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with the new ideas, new style and new pattern. In this video guys, I'm going to show you different amazing wooden crafts, decor items and useful ideas. I hope you guys like these amazing designs and style. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. These beautiful, latest and nice and gorgeous ideas are so beautiful. Wooden crafts. Amazing designs are so unique, looking so amazing and helpful. So wooden crafts are so trendy. If you are expert, you can create with wooden different items like household items and different ideas. And hope you guys enjoy this amazing latest wooden project designs. And hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas and style. My dear ladies and dear women, this amazing wooden work is activity or skill for making things out of wood. I have done woodwork for many years and these amazing ideas are very helpful for you guys. Wooden working is skill of making items from wood and including cabinetry, furniture, making wood and different household items, different decor pieces and so many different things that you can make from wood. So basic wooden working tools and scales plus a few pieces of wood and hanging hardware and you need start with a simple straight shelf, stain or paint to finish. So hopefully you guys like this amazing wooden work related ideas and style. If you are new, I request you guys visit to my channel. Wooden working is the skill of making items from wood. And there are many type of project you can make like furniture. You can make furniture like cabinet tables, chairs and center tables, coffee tables, doors and kitchen cabinets, and you can make wooden sign. You can make boxes like jewelry boxes or jewelry organizers, knife holders, brushes holders, different stationery holders, and you can make wooden candle holders and so many different holders that you can make in wood. You can make picture frame, big picture frame, small picture frame, different unique frame ideas. You can make bird houses, you can make planter, you can make art, and you can make so many different things. You can sell your wooden projects online or marketplace like eBay, Amazon and AliExpress, and you can also sell them at local craft fairs, framers markets or local markets. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, hope you guys enjoy my new ideas and new clothes, new designs, and these nice and amazing wooden working ideas are so beautiful. If you like these beautiful ideas and style, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching my new ideas and new style and new designs. We will be right back. See you soon guys in the next video. Take care, guys. See you soon. Hope you guys enjoy this lovely, awesome, and beautiful ideas and new style and new pattern.